Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the latest updates on UK immigration. Apply for the graduate visa on or before 31st December 2026. You are eligible for 2 years for non-PhD students. If you apply on or after 1st January 2027, the post-study visa will be 18 months. However, for PhD students, the post-study visa remains 36 months as it is. English requirements raised to B2 from 8th January 2026 for key work routes, skilled worker, high potential scale up. If you are switching after this date, you will generally need B2 evidence. Skilled worker route The skilled worker rule changes RQF 6 salary update temporary shortage list came into force on 22nd July 2025. Jobs must normally be RQF level 6 degree level or be on the temporary shortage list to be eligible. If lower skilled headline general salary floor for many new applicants is around pound 41,700, varies by option oblique going rate. You should check your temporary shortage list when you are applying. So these are the latest updates on the for the students. And as you are aware, for the students, if you apply after 1st January 2027, the post-study visa you will get will be of 18 months for the students who are going to do graduation or post-graduation in the UK universities. And you must also be aware that the fee structure will also change from 1st January 2027, and in times to come you must expect the stricter rules for the student, skilled worker visa, family visa, etc. And the level of higher studies for the skilled worker visa, you need to have a B2 level of IELTS. So you must equip yourself right away if you want to obtain a skilled worker visa from 8th January 2026. You must have a B2 level of English levels, and don't think that if you have studied in UK and you have obtained the studies in English, that does not qualify you to be having a higher standard of English. So thank you so much, and do subscribe and share my video. Thank you.